Cruise. I like to get these Chryslers, either do a rebuild on them or do full bolt-on. So plan is get this 550 wheel horsepower, then I'll end up selling it, you know. But in order to do all that, I got to change a lot of internals. Got to do something with the trans. The Mercedes Nag 1 trans, it's not a bad trans, right? But just at a certain point with the amount of power that I'm looking to get, that engine, or not that engine, that trans really just cannot, just can't suffice. So gonna have to do a little upgrade on the trans. We'll definitely have to get a cam kit. So that's kind of where we're at right now. It's a beautiful day. I'd roll the windows up so you guys can get the full experience.